Okay, so let's now discuss the types of electronics communication or yung structure ng electronics communication. Okay, so the first is simplex, second is full duplex, and third is the half duplex. So let's first discuss the simplex mode. So simplex is the simplest method of electronics communication. So itong type ng communication ito is one way lang yung communication, no? For example, radio, TV broadcasting. So kung mapapansin nyo sa radio and TV broadcasting, yung structure niya is merong TV transmitter or radio transmitter, and one way lang yung pag-exchange or pagpadala ng information. So from the antenna, ipapadala niya lang yung information papunta dun sa antenna ng mga bahay. Okay? And yung mga antena ng bahay or yung mga receiver ng mga nasa bahay, hindi naman pwedeng makapagpadala pabalik ulit dun sa TV transmitter. So one way lang yung communication. Okay? So second example is yung remote control, no, dun sa TV or dun sa halimbawa itong drone na to. Okay? Yung information binabato lang from remote papunta dun sa drone or papunta dun sa TV. Yung TV hindi naman makakapagbalik ng information yung pabalik sa remote control. Okay? So, one way lang yung communication niya. Okay? Or yung pagpapadala or transmit ng signal. Okay? So, second is full duplex. Ito naman is a two-way communication. So, when people can talk and listen simultaneously, it is called a full duplex communication. So, one good example is telephone, and sama na natin yung cellphone. Okay? So, sa cellphone and sa telephone, pwede tayong makapag-usap, okay? Pwede tayong makapag-transmit ng signal, and pwede rin tayong makapag-receive ng signal. Okay? Simultaneously, sabay. Okay? So, third is yung half duplex. So, ito two-way communication pa rin. Parehas siya ng full duplex but one at a time lang. So, yung mga walkie-talkies natin, no? Citizen band radios, family radio, amateur radio, yung mga walkie-talkies na ginagamit ng police at saka ng mga security guard. Mapapansin nyo, may pinipindot lang dun sa walkie-talkie and pwede silang magsalita. Okay? And then, i-release nila yung button na yon para makapakinig naman sila nung sasabihin nung nasa kabilang party. Okay, hindi pwedeng sabay. So, yun yung half duplex communication. Okay?